today I will show you how to make creamy coffee with mocha machine, okay? And wait, creamy, that's why I'm making video, okay? And creamy, oh goodness, wait. Oh goodness, broken. Is it enough? Not, it's not enough. Oh goodness, it's too much. So enough. Now, interesting side. This coffee is, it's not too much milling, finishing. It's little, I don't know. It's a little bit, not too much powder. Okay, it's a little bit small. I will make for creamy this sugar vanilla, okay, vanilla, okay. So vanilla I will enter vanilla and vanilla. Allah خلاص يا عم. One hand, one video, need one, maybe one. Okay, okay. It will be cremoso and finishing, and now wait, and now wait. أيوة. Small. Okay, and waiting, and good. Here and coming here. Thank you. Enjoy. Listen. Okay, listen. Shut up. Also see the color, okay?